Designed for comfort, the Yashica I'm Back helmet features an advanced ventilation system and weighs just 500 G, making it perfect for any ride. Record every moment with the built-in camera, connect your phone hands-free via Bluetooth, and in emergency make a SOS call. The GPS feature helps you track both your helmet and your whereabouts. Safety meets technology with the Yashica I'm Back helmet. With a click on the remote mounted on your handlebars, start recording your rides and watch the videos directly on your smartphone. Listen to your favorite music or answer calls with Bluetooth headphones connected to your helmet. Using our remote, you can safely signal your turns and intentions to drivers. Riding in the city has never been safer, whether you're riding a classic or electric bike. Support us now on Indiegogo and secure this innovative smart helmet from Yashica I'm Back at an unbeatable price. Don't miss your chance to own the future of cycling safety. Get ready to ride smarter and safer. Choose Yashica I'm Back.
A few years ago, I changed my life. I sold my car and decided that in winter rain and sun, I would move exclusively by bicycle. My name is Emmanuel, and in 3 years, I have traveled almost 40,000 kilometers by bicycle. Last year, I was the victim of a very bad accident a few kilometers from home. It was a cloudy day, and a car didn't see me coming. After the accident, I understood that any helmet is not enough. Now I use Yashica I'm Back. It's comfortable to sleep, makes me more visible thanks to the front camera. It allows me to document my travels.